Oh, what do we have here? It's a map to send Ari and Zaid on a quest to set Huey free. In order to complete the quest, they have to determine the literal meaning of the figurative language at each stop. Let's help Ari and Zaid by answering, what is figurative language? Figurative language, also known as a figure of speech, is a word or phrase that does not have the exact meaning of the words written. As the reader, your job is to determine what the expression actually or literally means so you understand what the author is trying to say. It is used for dramatic effect or to exaggerate something to make a point, which can make text more interesting. Figurative language has non-literal meaning because it is often too silly or unrealistic to happen in real life. In the meadow, Ari and Zaid find the phrase, "Ari is as cute as a button." The first step is to ask yourself, do the words mean exactly what they say? No, they do not mean Ari looks like a button. That wouldn't make any sense. We know that this is a non-literal statement because buttons are not actually cute, they are just buttons. The second step is to determine the literal or actual meaning of the phrase. What is the literal meaning of Ari is as cute as a button? It means that Ari is very cute or adorable. Next, they trudge up the mountain and arrive at the top. Oh, look! Someone left a snack and a note. It says, "Don't touch the pizza, it's lava." Remember, first ask, do the words mean exactly what they say? No, it would not make any sense if the pizza was actually lava. What is the literal meaning of "don't touch the pizza, it's lava"? We know that pizza is not made of molten rock, but we do know that lava is very hot. The phrase exaggerated the temperature of the pizza, comparing it to lava. However, the literal meaning is, the pizza is very hot. Next, they head to the final stop. They see the phrase, "Time flies when you're having fun on a quest." Do these words mean exactly what they say? No, we know that time does not actually fly. What is the literal meaning? It means that time passes by surprisingly quickly, just like flying makes you move surprisingly quickly. We did it! We completed the quest! Before we see Zaid and Ari set Huey free, let's summarize. Remember, figurative language, also known as a figure of speech, is a word or phrase that does not have the exact meaning of the words written. As the reader, your job is to determine what the expression actually or literally means so you understand what the author is trying to say. First ask, do the words mean exactly what they say? Second, explain in your own words the literal meaning of the phrase. Hooray! Huey is finally free. Wait, what about the pizza?